Hi, my name is Sofia Mackin and I am the project leader of Clean here in Västernorrland, Sweden. In Västernorrland we focus on two parts of the project. One concerns schools in Sollefteå municipality, where we have activities like converting 3 ventilation units to modern units with heat recycling, converting existing light into LED lights and installation of photovoltaic panels. In Västernorrland region as an organization, we have examined the possibility to install photovoltaic panels on buildings and set up a plan for installation. Some of it has been done and some of it is going to be installed during the next years. We are affected to some degree by COVID in this project. Most of the affected areas are linked to arrangements concerning our access in public buildings as hospitals. Due to the pandemic, entrepreneurs are not allowed inside the hospitals at the same level as before, and priorities have been made to prepare technical solutions and logistic flows to handle the pandemic. We also noticed that the pandemic seems to result in a higher energy use due to changed operation conditions, technical solutions and rebuilt facilities. Higher energy use means higher climate impact. This needs more analysis, but the trend is clear. It is too soon at this point to draw conclusions to how this will impact in a longer perspective. We have to prioritize the parts that are possible to implement at this moment. Some have to be postponed a bit, and this is not possible for us to change. We can focus more on strategic questions and challenges. It is educational to be a part of Clean, to take part of other participants' projects, their carrying through and their results. Good examples and dissemination are essential parts of the work in the sustainability area, and Clean really contributes to this. Thank you.